Hi! It has been a long time since I have done a video, and I have many unboxing to do. Mostly it's fabric related, quilt related. If you hear my dogs barking, again, I apologize in advance. And it's Saturday afternoon, so there's people doing yard work also. But anyway, let's get into it. This is a small priority package, and I'm going to be uploading a bunch today, hopefully. So let's just get into it. Sorry, I should have opened it in advance. Yes. Apologize. I don't even know. I know this is from the Fat Quarter shop, but I'm not quite sure because I have so many subscriptions with them. Okay, so this looks like it is the Holiday Fat Quarter Club. And sorry for the glare. Let me take it out of the package so that there is no glare. Looks like Halloween. So it is Holiday Fat Quarter Club. It's called Cats, Bats, and Jacks. There's 12 fat quarters. This is for September 2018. For almost a month I was on vacation. We left Hawaii on September 13th and didn't get back home till October 11. Went to Orlando to Walt Disney World for about 21 days. And then we stopped off in Vegas for a few days. So that's why I have a lot of catching up to do. So anyway, September. The cost is $29.98. I do get it monthly. And the shipping is $4.95. So let's take a look. Halloween is my favorite holiday. So I don't mind that it's past Halloween because I will definitely use this. So let's see. The first one is gray bats. Super cute. Gray background with black bats. They're really cute. This looks like a gray background with kitty cat. And this is an orange background with Happy Halloween, pumpkins, candy, and black cat. This is I love skulls. So this is orange background with white skull and bones. Super cute. And this is the same bats but in orange background. Next one is orange background with black polka dots with little, it's not fully polka dots. Here's the same kitty cat, black cat with an orange background, same as this one. Oh, yeah, same. And this is the same, skulls and bones, but this is a dark gray background, same as this one. And this one is black with long bones, white bones. I'm loving all of these. Black background with jack-o'-lantern pumpkins and regular pumpkins. And this is a black background with the same Happy Halloween as this one. Candy, skulls. I guess this one doesn't have the black. It does have a black cat. And this is the white polka dot with a black background. So again, we get 12. So I hope you like that one. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.